What problem are you trying to solve with this system?
Our bottles going to the labeler were getting rejected a lot. We had a lot of wet bottles going in, so our labels weren't sticking onto the bottles. We'd have to get our operators to take them off the line and wipe them down and reprocess them. So a lot of trying to minimize the rejects of our bottles.
Why did you choose an Adamark system for this?
Our team worked with you guys a couple of years ago. You guys let us trial their system, and you guys were local and provided us a guarantee to get your system working for applications.
And did the Adamark system deliver the solution you were looking for?
You really stood behind your guarantee. You added an extra air knife. You upgraded our blower to a more powerful horsepower. You gave us another VFD so we can maximize our blower, and now it works very well.
Tell us about the ROI for this.
Yeah, so the ROI, I calculated, I crunched the numbers, probably under 6 months, which is really impressive. And what the factors involved in that is limited rejects, so we're saving on label costs. Our labor significantly went down because our operators had to take our bottles off the line, they had to wipe them down to reprocess them. So we took that off completely, and then just overall comfort level too, which is not really measured ROI, but we can run our room. We don't have to run our room super cold, just avoid the condensation on the bottle. So it's a lot more comfortable working environment for our operators as well.
Would you recommend Adamark to another company? Not that we want to give away your secret. But,
no, 5 stars. Yeah, I would definitely recommend. It was just from a price standpoint, the local aspect, the customer service, just really standing behind that guarantee. That was really big for us. So we really appreciate that.